Hello everyone, usapang trabaho na naman tayo. At itong nakikita nyo, ito yung PCB circuit board na nagko-control ng mga doors mula sa second floor all the way to 40th floor. May problema, kaya i-diagnose natin. Kailangan mapapagana natin. So by the way, ang una kong ginagawa kasi usually pag ganito, tinitingnan lang ko muna yung PCB kung saan talaga siya nagkukunik yung mga wiring, tulad ng ginawa ko ito. Ang sekreto ko rito, bago ko galawin yung mga wiring connection, pinipicturean ko muna para pag binabalik ko na, hindi ako malilito kung saang wiring nanggaling ang aking tinanggal. So yan yung sekreto dyan ha. So cellphone is matter. So, kailangan meron kang cellphone palagi pag nagdadiagnose ka. Kasi makalimutan mo talaga kung saan siya nakakunik. Then, the second one, use your glasses. Tulad ko, di ko nakikita. So, I need to use my reading glasses. And then, now, you need to use your tools. But before that, you need to turn off the power of the PCB. Make sure na hindi nag-ground. Then, go for troubleshooting. Dahil alam ko na kung saan yung aking tatanggalin dito at na-test ko na siya kanina. So ito na ginagawa ko. And then I proceed to remove the wiring. And then titistingin natin maya-maya konti. Alright ha? Abangan. At isa pala minamarkahan ko kung saan doon nakakunik yung wire. By color yan eh. So the wiring has a different color and the connection, the board, the PCB has a different color too. So you make sure na ang wire na tinanggal mo, maibabalik mo rin sa doon. At this is very tight, you know. Hindi kailangan mag-loose yung wire. So wala siyang spark para gumana. Hindi ka magso-short circuit. O sige muna, tingnan natin. Palagay nyo kaya magagawa natin ito. Panoorin nyo hanggang sa dulo, okay? Ayun, successful, gumana. So, pagkatapos yan, picture ulit natin. Make sure bye-bye ka. Okay. So, what I did, I disabled the arm. I disabled the arm. So, now, this always working. So, I'm not here Monday.
Okay.
So, this is the arm A.
Arm A.
Okay, this wire, the white wire goes into the grave.
Hold on, can I take a video real quick?
Yeah. Oh, you can see this one there. So the red. Okay. So the take me. Okay, the white wire, it goes into the grave. That's marked in there. Okay. The red wire goes into the orange, and then the black wire, it goes into the blue. Okay. So I just put that in there and Monday. So that's the part. Okay.
Sounds
And
good.
then all this close. That's what they work for that.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna be email them that's only that right now.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll put it in my shit next.
Yeah, yan lang muna. Mahirap mag-English. Lisod mag-English kayo. Lisod mag-English, maghatag instruction sa English na tao. Kaya, sige, see you next time ulit sa Usapang Trabaho. O, huwag niyong kalimutan na subscribe naman kayo dyan, yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Maraming salamat. See you soon.